All right, we're here in the tomato section, and what we need to do today is to cut the tops out of the tomatoes. And the reason that we're going to do that is from blossom to fruit ready to eat is 8 weeks, and we are 7 weeks away from the end of the show. So we want to cut the top out and let the plant ripen any of the fruits that are already hanging on it. We don't need the plant to be adding more fruits at this point because they're not going to make into anything. So what I want to do is, so if we're looking at this plant here, there's a sucker here. We do want to continue to desucker. There's a sucker here. And then if I'm looking up here, I got a set of fruit right here. And then there's one little guy here, but this one's probably not going to make. So I want to cut this above this fruit here. And I want to cut it so that there's a leaf. That way I have some stem if I need to put a clip on. So I'll take the top out, and then I also got a sucker right here. And there's a little sucker here, and there's a little sucker right here. So basically what I'm left with is my fruit clusters coming up here, and then I have a place if I need to tie this up. This one is not that far above the last clip, and it should be okay as far as not bending the plant over. This one right here, same thing. I'm going to take the suckers out. And here's my last fruit cluster. Take that sucker out, and then I'm going to leave a branch and take that sucker out. They do like to sucker when you take the tops out, so the plants may get a little excited in the sucker department, and so you just have to be aware of what you got going on the top. All right, and let's see, one more here. So this guy here, that's a sucker. This is my last cluster of fruit right here. So I'm going to take it out right there. Like I said, that gives me a place here. If I need to clip that, I have a place that I can clip it. All right, so we went through and we topped off all the plants all the way around. We actually had to pull the cucumbers off of some of those over there. So now our only job here is to ripen tomatoes, and we're going to go ahead and get our harvest. We got some really nice tomatoes today that are ready to come off.
To learn lots more about easy, productive gardening, tune into the High Performance Garden Show. You don't want to miss out. The show features a 128 square foot vegetable garden that can produce over $2,500 worth of garden fresh veggies with only a 15-minute a day commitment. And we'll show you everything that we do in that garden for a 33-week growing season. Along with the upcoming season, you can also watch the last 2 seasons. That's over 110 hours of gardening education, totally for free. Soon we will be starting the next season, which will provide you with 33 more weekly episodes to get you even more garden tips and techniques on how to grow a high-performance garden in your backyard. So sign up today, start learning. It's totally free. Start your garden season off right by going to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.